Hello, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Please subscribe my channel. Now I'm going to solve limit theta tends to 0 1 minus cos theta over theta. Solution. Limit theta tends to 0 1 minus cos theta over theta. In first step we multiply 1 minus cos theta over theta into 1 plus, we change sign of 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta over 1 plus cos theta. Because here we cannot find this limit, 1 minus cos 0 is equal to 1, therefore 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore we directly cannot find the value of this function. Now limit theta tends to 0 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Here we use a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Let here we use this formula, 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1, the square of 1 is 1, therefore cos into cos square theta over theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now we simplify it. Limit theta tends to 0. Here 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta over theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now limit theta tends to 0. Here sine square theta into theta over theta into theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now limit sine theta tends to 0 sine square theta into theta over theta into theta, theta square into 1 plus cos theta. As we know, limit when limit t tends to 0, here sine square t over t sine t over t is equal to 1. Limit theta tends to 0 sine theta, this over this whole square, because this is square and this is also square, into limit theta tends to 0 into this theta over 1 plus cos theta. this is equal to 1 into theta tend to 0. 0 divided by anything is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer is 0.